Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the backup disk is connected and visible. This matters because Time Machine needs a readable snapshot. Once connected, boot into Mac OS Recovery, Command+R on Intel, hold power on Apple Silicon, and choose Restore from Time Machine. Make sure you note the Mac OS version and target drive. You may need to erase the target. This step sets the environment so Time Machine can locate the correct backup and prepare the destination drive. Once in recovery, select the Time Machine backup source and then the snapshot you want by date and time. Older snapshots restore older states. Choose the target drive carefully. If you need only apps and files, use Migration Assistant instead of full disk restore. Start the restore and monitor progress. Copying many gigabytes can take hours, so keep the Mac awake and connected to power. If the restore pauses, check the backup drive connection and available disk space before continuing. After the restore completes, restart the Mac and sign in to verify user accounts, apps, and files. Make sure to install any Mac OS updates that appear. If the restore fails, run Disk Utility First Aid on both the backup and target drives. Corruption or permissions issues often block restores. If problems persist, try restoring to a different drive or use target disk mode to manually copy critical files. One key troubleshooting tip: always check drive health and cables first, because most failures are hardware-related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.